This how to 1 minute will show you how to record your Discord video. To record your Discord video, you have to use this OBS Studio software. So install this OBS Studio and open this. Once you opened, you will get this interface. Now we need to take a scene. Here you will get this scene section. Now click on this plus icon and I'm gonna renaming the scene name here. Discord. After adding a new scene, we need to add a source. And here you will get this source section. Now click on this plus icon and select display capture. I'm gonna giving name here Discord video. Click on OK. Click on OK. And again click on this plus icon for sources and click on audio output capture. OK. You can select any device from here. OK. And after that, all you have to need, just click on start recording and then open your Discord, and the OBS Studio will record your Discord video now. And to stop recording, open your OBS Studio, click on stop recording, and to find the recorded file, click on file, show recordings, and here you will get the Discord video recorded file. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.